Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Review Information. Today I will show how to bring back your desktop icon. After Windows setup or creating a new user, all the desktop icons are gone. How to bring back? Let's see. First, right click on your desktop and click Personalize. Then from the left, click Themes. Under the Themes option, you can see Desktop Icon Settings. Click. In the Desktop Icon Settings box, check on Computer, User Files, Control Panel, Network, whatever you need. Click Apply. Here, all the icons are back. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more. Goodbye.